Hi everyone, this is Andy from projectofmylife.com. So in today's video, I wanted to discuss about affiliate marketing without a website. So in my opinion, if you want to start affiliate marketing business right now in 2020, I think you should have a website. Most of the affiliate program out there, like Amazon Associate, or maybe some of them like JVZoo, ClickBank, all these company share a shell. A lot of them, they now require you to have a website. Even though ClickBank, what I know right now, you still can sign up for the affiliate in ClickBank without having a website. But most, I would say 90% now of the affiliate program will need you for a website. So I would suggest you, if you want to start a business for affiliate marketing, you need to create a website. You don't have to really make a very modern website. You can just create a simple website. It's pretty easy. You can just create for 1 page or 2 page of website first at the beginning. At least you have your own already, your domain name, and you have a WordPress running on your domain name, and you can just create any blog over there. Maybe you can talk about your whatever that you want to promote. Just write it there, and yeah, so you have a website already. So that's pretty easy. You don't have to make a very complicated website. So in my opinion, if you want to start affiliate marketing business now, you will need to have a website. Don't listen to any other gurus saying that you don't need a website to start an affiliate marketing. That's not right. I mean, you still can do it without the website, but that's not the right thing to do, I think. So you should have a website, because the website itself is basically gonna be your asset. Your website, it will be on the internet for the whole time, as long as you're still paying for the web hosting and the domain name for your website. So that's gonna be your asset. And the good thing when you have a website is, when a lot of people going to your website and people already know you, and then for after 5 years, 10 years, people still can come to your website, and your website still can create or make money for you. You should have the website for sure, to start an affiliate marketing business. And this is how to say the tips for you. If you don't know how to make a website, then you can just outsource right now, for your business. You can outsource to make a website for somebody. From Fiverr or from Upwork, so somebody can create it for you. So at least you have your domain name and then your web hosting for your WordPress. Then you should be fine. You can just outsource it if you don't know how to do it, and it's pretty cheap also. Maybe it's only just cost you $10, $20 to outsource that on top of your website cost. All right, that's my tips. The best to have the website to start the affiliate marketing business. Thank you. So if you think that this video have value, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment below if you have any question. I'll try to answer the best I can. Thank you.